Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th session of Information Technology for class 10, a vocational subject offered by CBSE. Today we are going to learn how to work with tables, and for this purpose we are going to open office over here. So from my computer I am opening this open office, and from here we are going to click on the writer document of open office, that is used as a Word document. So now here we are going to open tables. How to create tables? So for creating tables, you have to just move on to the menu bar, and onto the top of the menu bar you are getting this option over here. This table option is available over here. So for creating the tables, what we have to do, we have to just click over here, and we will be getting the option insert, and from here you can insert the table. The shortcut of insert table command is Control F12. So if you are going to press Control F12 of your keyboard, then also you will be getting the same window over here. So here what options we have to fill? So the first option that we have to fill is the name of the table. So I am writing it as a student over here. Name of the table is student. Then I am taking some columns over here. So I am taking 4 columns, and here I am taking 3 rows. If you want to design and heading, you can switch on this option, otherwise you can skip this option. And then you are having this auto format option also. So here different options with color and combinations are present over here. We can take any one of them, but just I am going to make a simple table. So like this I have taken 4 columns and 3 rows. Now I am going to click on OK button. So my table is here, and now I am going to write column headings over here. So roll number, then student name, then age, and city I am writing, and then I am going to put some numbers over here. Then city Jan. In the same way I am going to fill the second row, Mesh, then 13 years, and indoor, like this. So this is my table over here. Now let us see what all options are available with the table option. So this is my table, and I am keeping my cursor onto the table. Then I am going to move on to the same option, table menu. Here we are getting the delete options for deleting rows and columns. Just now I don't want to delete rows and columns, but if you want to delete rows and columns, just place the cursor. Suppose I am placing my cursor on the first row. So if I am going to select this option, delete, and then rows, so the place where I kept the cursor, that particular row will get deleted. I'm just pressing Ctrl Z over here, so it came back. Ctrl Z is for undo, you know this thing. Then the second option is for selecting. If you want to select table, rows and columns, but the best way is you just keep the cursor. If you have kept the cursor over here onto this row, it means you have selected this row, you have selected this column, you have selected this cell, and table is automatically selected over here. So no need to do extra effort for this purpose. So this is the way to perform selections, but still they have given the select option over here. Then if you want to split the cells, okay, so for example I want to split the cells. Any of the cell I am going to take. ये मेरा ये वाला cell है, इसको मैंने select किया, and then I clicked on split cells. So in how many parts you want to split the cells? 3 parts, 4 parts, horizontally or vertically you want to split the cells, that also can be decided over here, and then just click over here. तो देखिए यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो है multiple cells available हो गए. So this is the way we can split out our cells. I am again pressing Ctrl Z. So this is the split option, protect cells. If you don't want to change a particular value after the creation of table, select this particular cell, move on to the table section and select the option protect cell. ये आपने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया protect cells के ऊपर. अब आप दोबारा इस सेल पर जाकर इसको टाइप करेंगे या इसको चेंज करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ये सेल लॉक हो गया है, अब आप इसके अंदर मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकते हैं. स्प्लिट टेबल ऑप्शन. सो आई क्लिक्ड ओवर हियर, एंड देन यहाँ पे मैंने फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट कर लिया है, एंड देन आई क्लिक्ड ओवर हियर. तो देखिए आपकी जो टेबल है वो 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गई है. सो दिस कैन बी डन यूजिंग split table option. Again I am pressing Ctrl Z. So this was your split table option. Then we have the option convert text to table and table to text. Let's try this option. ये मेरे पास मैंने फर्स्ट रो सेलेक्ट किया एंड देन टेबल में हम गए. सो आई एम गेटिंग दिस ऑप्शन कन्वर्ट टेक्स्ट टू टेबल. अभी हमारा ऑलरेडी टेबल बना हुआ है तो हम टेबल से टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्शन करेंगे. वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट अ डेलीमीटर सिंबल कि हमको जो कंटेंट हमारे पास आने वाला है वापस वो टैब सेपरेटेड होना चाहिए, पैराग्राफ सेपरेटेड होना चाहिए, सेमीकोलन होना चाहिए, ये किस फॉर्मेट में होना चाहिए. सो आई एम सेलेक्टिंग द ऑप्शन टैब्स. तो आप देखिए मेरा जो कंटेंट है वो अब टेबल से टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट हो गया है और उसको सेपरेट करने के लिए यहाँ पे टैब की का यूज़ किया गया है. नाउ इफ you again want the same content to be in the form of a table, फिर से मैंने इसको select किया. Now again I am selecting the option convert. This time we are going to select the option text to table. text to table लिया और मैंने यहाँ पे delimiter sign tabs यूज किया था पहले. So I am again selecting the same sign and see my contents are converted into table. तो अगर आपके पास normal text है जिसको आपको table में convert करना है then also it can be converted. So this was the option with this split table option and convert option. Then we are having this autofill option where on we can set the column width and all these things, and these things can be set from here also. If you want to reduce or increase the column width, same thing can be done from this position autofit, and the same thing can be done by just moving the mouse pointer from here and there. So this is autofit option. Then one more new facility with Microsoft Word this OpenOffice is that it can use formulas with the cells. देखिए कैसे यूज करेंगे. So what I am doing, मैं यहाँ पे एक नाम हटा देती हूँ and I am putting some numbers over here. मैंने यहाँ पर जाकर एक नंबर डाल दिया 5. Now what I want result of addition of the two numbers in this cell. So first what you have to do for applying the formula in this cell, just press equals to sign over here. जैसे आप यहाँ equals to sign press करते हैं, you will be getting a formula bar in your OpenOffice document. And now what you have to do, you have to click on the cell which you want to add. So I clicked over here and see its cell address is displayed over here. Then whatever the operation you want to do, if you want to perform addition, press plus sign. मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है तो स्टार प्रेस कर दीजिए, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है तो माइनस. मैं इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेती हूँ तो मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार प्रेस कर दिया. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 12 से. सो आई क्लिक ओवर है, इसका सेल एड्रेस आ गया. और इतना सब आने के बाद आपको रिजल्ट देखना है. हाउ टू व्यू द रिजल्ट? बाय प्रेसिंग F2. आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, यू हैव टू प्रेस F2 फंक्शन की 2 टू गेट द रिजल्ट. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर F2 की प्रेस किया, we will be getting result over here. अब आप कोई भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला जिसमें आप प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन का यूज करते हैं वो इन टेबल्स के साथ अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इस सेशन में इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं. थैंक यू.